Hello, my name is Max and today I'll be presenting the Safer Drivers Public Awareness Campaign.
They say I shouldn't drive when I'm feeling slightly suicidal. I'm looking for telephone poles and holes to crawl inside them. Well, I've been driving around holding my breath about 3 miles, looking for telephone.
Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra.
In the ACT, it is highly common that provisional young drivers are more likely to be in dangerous situations as they lack driving experience, awareness, judgment, complicity, and therefore result in taking greater risks. This is a threat not only to their safety, but also other road users around them. The Safer Drivers Road Safety Public Awareness Campaign aims to re-educate young and new drivers alike to the risks associated with road use and how to avoid these risks. It also aims to encourage safer driving practices, change ethical decision-making, and continue to teach simple tips to make the community safer. The ultimate goal of Road Safety ACT is to reach 0 road deaths a year, also commonly known as Vision Zero. The intended audiences of my campaign consist of new, unexperienced drivers who have just recently obtained either their Learner L or Red/Green Provisional P license. It is important that all these inexperienced drivers, the majority of whom are teenagers and young adults, learn safe practices when using roads, as this is a life skill which should be respected. The target audience of the Safer Drivers Public Awareness Campaign will be shared and spread through the use of commonly viewed mediums by young adults and teenagers. The campaign will be promoted through the following mediums: posters, a video advertisement, a recognizable logo, an online quiz survey, and an Instagram social media page. Posters can be posted in school classrooms, shopping car parks, and popular nightclub locations. This will maximize viewership amongst the target audience and age demographic. The video advertisement will be shown on national television or as a YouTube pop-up ad to reinforce safe driving messages. The implementation of a recognizable logo will be a recurring stamp to remind people of the campaign. Additionally, an online quiz will be advertised through social media to incentivize the target audience to participate in learning more about safer driving habits. Finally, our Instagram page will post regular daily updates on road safety in people's feeds, with access to all the above resources in one convenient place. The ethical reasoning behind the ACT's Safer Drivers Public Awareness Campaign is to promote positive driving behaviors that aim to reach Vision Zero. Throughout the campaign, the use of mostly digital mediums aims to reduce the wastage of printing and instead reach a greater audience simultaneously, using a direct approach via an application advertisement. In addition to this, the use of digital marketing reduces distribution costs as no printing or manual time to post information is wasted. The sole purpose of this public awareness campaign is to create a safer environment for the wider community of road users in the ACT. By re-educating and reinforcing safe driving behaviors and positive information to young and new drivers, future road users will be able to greater understand their responsibility to keep not only themselves but others safe. The strengths throughout my designs are achieved by highlighting details whilst maintaining a clear message. In the logo design, the use of color transforming from yellow to red to green left to right symbolizes the change in license status as a driver becomes more experienced, learner red P to green P. In addition to this, the size of each bubble ranges in growing size as the responsibility of the driver increases. Throughout the Instagram post, consistent borders and use of text and captions at the bottom of each image explains each process of driving being addressed in each post. This is successfully reinforced by the use of Photoshop editing and consideration of layout and typography. The video is professionally reproduced with government-supported information to convince audiences that the campaign is trustworthy. Another note is the transition from the audio being louder and softer as the camera is inside and outside the car respectively.